Hi, welcome to Codewars. In this series, I'm gonna solve TDD's katas using JavaScript. I'm Anatol, and you are watching the good parts of the front-end development. If this is your first time here, start now by subscribing. Let's solve today's kata titled Jenny's Secret Message. Jenny has written a function that returns a greeting for a user, however she is in love with Johnny and would like to greet him slightly different. She added a special case to her function, but she made a mistake. Can you help her? What we have here, we have a function that returns hello plus name, and if name is Johnny, return hello my love. Let's run sample tests. Now it doesn't return a proper value. I need to place this if in this first return before other values. Let's try that. Good, it works. Now let's optimize this function. Instead of if statement, let's use a ternary operator. So, return, if it's Johnny, then return hello my love. Otherwise, hello name. Yes, it works, and now let's use here an arrow function. So, I don't need that return. And in this case it's Johnny, then return a string. In case that's anybody else, then a string literal here, hello, whoever you are. Let's test. Of course I don't need this bracket. Yes, that also works. My code is available on GitHub. Documentation is available in the internet. Follow the links if you're eager to get more. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe to the channel and watch other episodes. Thanks for watching and dive deeper.